Welcome. Welcome. We'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. Give another half a minute. See if anyone else joins in. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. Appreciate it. We have a football break 175 tonight. Doing a mix of some 2021 products. Sorry. We have 10 items tonight, 4 packs, 3 hangers, and 2 blasters, and 1 mega box. Let's go ahead and go over these. We have a Donruss value pack here, 30 cards in here, looking for 4 press proof blue parallels. We have a Contenders value pack, 22 cards in here, looking for some retail exclusive emerald parallels. Prestige value pack, 30 cards in here, looking for some sunburst parallels. And we have a Mosaic cello, 15 cards in here, looking for 3 camel pink parallels and 1 other Mosaic parallel on average. 3 hangers score, 60 cards in this box, 5 parallels on average, including 1 number to 460. Playbook, 30 cards in this box, 5 purple parallels, 5 inserts, 5 rookies, and 1 sparkle parallel. And Contenders, 30 cards in here, 10 inserts, and 5 ruby parallels on average. 2 blasters, we have an absolute, 64 cards in this box, 3 green parallels on average. Let's see if we can get lucky tonight and get a ultra rare kaboom. And we have a playoff blaster, 56 cards in here, 1 hit on average, either an autograph or a mem. Also 3 kickoff parallels on average. And then a mega box of Contenders, 112 cards, 3 hits on average, 1 auto, and 2 mems on average, and 14 inserts as well. All right, let's go over our participants and we'll start. All right, break 175. Nolan with the Cardinals, Sienna Falcons, Ava Ravens, Michael Bills, Nolan Panthers, Christopher with the Bears, Caleb Bengals, Derek Browns, Sienna Cowboys, Ava with the Broncos, Christopher with a K, Lions. Got Nicholas with the Packers, David Texans and Colts, Eddie Jaguars, Michael Chiefs, David Raiders, Michael Chargers, Rams, Justin Dolphins, Michael Vikings, Patriots and Saints, Robert Giants, Michael Jets and Eagles, Robert Steelers, Michael Niners, Seahawks, Buccaneers, Brittany Titans, and Michael with the Commanders. All right, let me adjust a little more and we'll start. All right. Start off with Prestige tonight. 30 cards in this pack. Looking for some sunburst parallels. Good luck, everyone. All right, starting the break off with Marlon Humphrey, Michael Pittman Jr., Jerry Jeudy, Robert Woods, Julian Edelman, Deontay Johnson, Laviska Shenault, Terry McLaurin, Jalen Hurts. Looks like we got a hit. Oh, no hit. Just fooled me there. Xavier Collins, rookie. That's for the Cardinals. All right, we have a Sunburst rookie of Trayvon Moehrig. That's for the Raiders. Sunburst Jimmy Garoppolo. We have a Lamar Jackson insert. Time-stamped insert of DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Prestigious Pros of Drew Brees. That's for the Saints. Season's Greetings insert Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. There's rookie Joe Tryon, Buccaneers. Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers. Christian Barmore for the Patriots. Elijah Moore, Jets. David Johnson, Darius Leonard, Larry Fitzgerald, Allen Robinson, Daniel Jones, George Kittle, Aaron Rodgers, Anthony Barr, Odell Beckham, Anthony Ferkser, the kid reporter. Let me sleeve some of your rookies up really quick. Sunburst of Moehrig. That is going to David tonight. All right. Next pack, Contenders. 22 cards in here. Looking for some Emerald parallels. Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray, Allen Robinson, Kenny Golladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Patrick Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin. Rookie of the Year contenders of Najee Harris. That's an insert there for the Steelers. MVP contenders insert Josh Allen for the Bills. Power players Larry Johnson for the Chiefs. Gladiators insert of Sean Merriman for the Chargers. Najee Harris, that's going to Robert. Next pack, Donruss. 30 cards in here. Looking for 4 press-proof blue on average. All right, we have Lamar Jackson, Justin Jefferson, Deebo Samuel, Olivier Vernon, Fletcher Cox, Kareem Hunt, Miles Sanders, Carson Wentz, Javon Curse, Mark Ingram, Ryan Tannehill, Barry Sanders, Taysom Hill, Christian McCaffrey, Jalen Ramsey. A no helmet variation of Larry Fitzgerald, Tyrann Mathieu, Jalen Ramsey no helmet, Kyle Long, DeAndre Swift no helmet, Quinnen Williams, Dak Prescott variation, rookie of Greg Newsome for the Browns, Seth Williams for the Broncos, Kyle Trask Buccaneers, blue Jimmy Garoppolo for the 49ers, Mike Williams Chargers, blue Devontae no helmet. Nice blue press proof of Justin Fields there. That's for the Bears. Tyler Johnson insert. Champ is here for the Bucks. Going to Christopher C. Kyle Trask for Michael. All right, last of our packs. Say a Mosaic cello. 15 cards in here. Looking for 3 camo pink parallels and 1 other Mosaic on average. Daniel Sorensen, Jalen Smith, Patrick Queen, Miles Sanders, Leonard Floyd, debut rookie of Travis Etienne for the Jaguars, Antonio Gibson, got a green of Joe DeLamalure for the Bills, Will Twin insert of Kyler Murray, Touchdown Masters Mosaic of Baker Mayfield for the Browns, rookie Daya Odeyingbo for the Colts, and Javonte Williams for the Broncos. So Javonte Williams there. Let's go in Ava. Baker Mayfield, insert Mosaic. Going to Derek. ETN debut. Let's go to Eddie. All right, here's our bonus pack of the Camo Prisms. All right, we have Julio Jones going to the Falcons. Rookie Trayvon Moehrig for the Raiders. Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady is going to the Patriots. Brady. Let's go on to Michael. Another Trayvon Moehrig parallel there for the Raiders. All right, let's go with our Contenders. 30 cards in here. 5 ruby parallels on average, 10 inserts. All right, we have Mike Gesicki, T. Higgins, Marcus May, Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Gladiators, Ruby parallel of Sean Merriman, Chain Movers, Ruby of DeAndre Hopkins, Power Players, Michael Strahan, Rookie of the Year Contenders, I'd say De'Ami Brown for the Commanders, Legendary Michael Vick for the Falcons, Rookie of the Year Nico Collins, Round 1 numbers insert of Rashad Bateman and Kadarius Toney, so we'll have to randomize that for those 2 teams. Got a MVP Contenders Justin Herbert, winning ticket Russell Wilson for the Seahawks, Rookie of the Year Contenders Devontae Smith for the Eagles, Supernatural insert rookie of Mac Jones, Chain Movers Curtis Martin, playoff ticket Stephon Diggs, he is in the Vikings in that one. Gladiators of Nick Chubb for the Browns, Chain Movers Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. Let me sleeve some of these up really quick. Matt Jones there for Michael. Devontae Smith also for Michael. All right, next hanger, we'll go with score. 60 cards in this box, 5 parallels, including one number to 460. Rookies in here are still in their college uniforms, so they will go to the current teams they are on. If they're not on the current team, we will randomize them. Empty box. All right, we have Patrick Mahomes, Mike Evans, Evan Ingram, Thurman Thomas, Chase Young, Julian Edelman, T. Higgins, Deion Sanders, Chris Boswell, Zadarius Smith, Robbie Anderson, Will Fuller, Chase Claypool, Gardner Minshew, Brent Urban, Anthony Ferkser, DK Metcalf, Darren Waller, Harrison Bryant, Joey Bosa, Vince Williams, Michael Kaiser, Marshawn Lattimore, Chris Carson, Matt Nelson, 3D insert for the Panthers. Score team insert of Derrick Henry. Got a game face of Deion Sanders for the Falcons. Score team of Lamar Jackson. National champion Reggie Bush for the Saints. Jared Goff, next level, game face J.J. Watt, Texans. Score team Christian McCaffrey. Rookie Trey Lance for the 49ers. Next level Nick Chubb. Rookie Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Juju Smith-Schuster. A 3D for the Rams. Tom Brady insert. Aaron Donald, Kyler Murray. Zeke Elliott, national champion for the Cowboys. Another Kyler Murray. Here's our numbered Chris Boswell, number to 460 for the Steelers. Parallel Mo Alley Cox, Gabriel Davis. Score team parallel Justin Herbert and Miles Sanders. Rookie Sean Wade. Shai Smith, Panthers. Quincy Roche. Javion Hawkins, Kadarius Toney, Giants. Rondell Moore, Cardinals. Ramondre Stevenson, going to the Patriots. J.C. Horn, Panthers. Justin Fields, ×2 for the Bears. Diami Brown, Commanders. Caleb Farley for the Titans. Couple of Fields there for Christopher C. Boswell, number to 460. That's for the Steelers. Trey Lance. All right, last hangers, Playbook. 30 cards in here. They got 5 purple, 5 inserts, 5 rookies on average, also 1 sparkle. have Amari Cooper, Hunter Henry, Zadarius Smith, Antonio Gibson, Darren Waller, DJ Moore, David Johnson, DeAndre Swift, Marcus May, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, Alvin Kamara, Baker Mayfield, Matt Stafford. Here's the sparkle of Anthony Schwartz, rookie for the Browns. Captain insert of Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Zoning Commission, Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Next up, Devontae Smith, Eagles. Blitz, Gabriel Davis for the Bills. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. Rookie Patrick Jones for the Vikings. Kenny Nwangu for the Vikings. Chris Evans for the Bengals. Jamin Davis for the Commanders. Jamar Chase for the Bengals. Purple parallel there by Mike Evans. Laviska Shenault, Luke Farrell, rookie, purple for the Jags. Kenneth Gainwell, purple, rookie for the Eagles. And Khalil Herbert for the Bears. Jamar Chase for Caleb. Sparkle for the Browns going to Derek. To our blasters. Let's go playoff first. 56 cards in this box. We have 1 hit on average, autograph or a mem card, 3 kickoff parallels on average. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 cards per pack, 56 cards. Good luck. We have Baker Mayfield, Justin Herbert, Randall Cobb, Drew Brees, Allen Robinson, Cooper Kupp, rookie Sean Wade for the Patriots, kickoff parallel of J.K. Dobbins, kid reporter. Jerry Jeudy, T. Higgins, Darren Waller, Aaron Jones, DK Metcalf, Russell Gage, rookie Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins, and a kickoff parallel Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Minkah Fitzpatrick, Bruce Smith, Laviska Shenault, Jalen Hurts, Mike Evans, Darnell Mooney, rookie Kyle Pitts for the Falcons, rookie kickoff parallel Rondell Moore for the Cardinals. Just going to Nolan. Kyle Pitts, Sienna. Quinnen Williams, Von Miller, Chad Johnson, Matt Ryan, Darius Slayton, Cameron Jordan, rookie Trayvon Morig for the Raiders, rookie Stallions, Mem, Des Fitzpatrick, rookie for the Titans. Going to Brittany. Next pack. Marcus Allen, Randy Moss, Drew Lock, Andy Dalton, Matt Stafford, Robert Tonyan, rookie Terrace Marshall for the Panthers, rookie wave Dwayne Eskridge for the Seahawks. Kid Reporter. Tyler Boyd, Henry Ruggs, TJ Watt, Tyler Lockett, AJ Terrell, Lawrence Taylor, rookie of Chauncey Golston for the Cowboys. Rookie wave, Dwayne Eskridge again. That's the red prism parallel there. Let's go into Michael. All right, last pack of playoff. Tremaine Edmonds, DJ Shark, Chris Herndon, Tom Brady, Nick Bosa, Dante Culpepper, Sam Ellinger, rookie for the Colts. Behind the numbers, Devontae Smith for the Eagles. Devontae Smith. All right, next is Absolute. 64 cards in here. 3 green parallels on average. Let's see if we can get lucky tonight and hit one of those. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards per pack. 64 cards. Good luck. All right, we have Calvin Ridley, Davante Adams, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Keenan Allen. Got a green parallel of Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. Green parallel rookie, Michael Carter. Oh, actually it's not. Sorry, just a regular. Michael Carter. Frank Darby, and the Caleb Farley rookie for the Titans. Next pack. Justin Tucker, Corey Davis, Nick Chubb. Introductions, Mac Jones, that's for the Patriots. Zach Wilson, rookie for the Jets. Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah for the Browns. Daz Newsome, rookie for the Bears. And Simi Fehoko, Cowboys rookie. Jets, going to Michael. Mac Jones. Next pack. Aaron Donald, James Robinson, Terry McLaurin, Jason Kelsey, by storm insert, rookie of Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins, Rookie of Greg Newsome for the Browns, Christian Barmore for the Patriots, and Elijah Moore for the Jets. Let's go to Justin. Devin White, Aaron Rodgers, AJ Green, It's a rookie parallel of Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins. That's number to 499. Rookie Brevin Jordan, Texans. Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. Shai Smith, Panthers. Patrick Surtain for the Broncos. It's number to 499, Justin. Justin Herbert, Lamar Jackson, Chris Carson, Baker Mayfield. Green parallel of Aaron Jones, Packers. Rookie Trevor Lawrence. Rookie Kadarius Toney, Giants. And Larry Roundtree for the Chargers. Kadarius Toney, that's for Robert. Trevor Lawrence. Let's go on to Eddie, Trevor Lawrence. Matt Stafford, DJ Shark, Chase Young, red zone insert of DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Rookie Trey Sermon for the 49ers, Tommy Tremble for the Panthers, Emir Smith Marset, Vikings, Jarrett Patterson for the Commanders. Kid Reporter. Joe Burrow, A.J. Brown, Randall Cobb, Kyler Murray. Rookie Green, Brandon Stevens for the Ravens. Adetokunbo Ogundehe, rookie Falcons. Rashad Bateman, Ravens. Demetric Felton for the Browns. All right, last pack of Absolute. Looks like we have a little hit here. Good luck on that. Josh Jacobs, Jonnu Smith, that's going to be for the Chiefs. Cornell Powell, rookie materials patch there. Stargazing insert of Christian McCaffrey, rookie Nico Collins for the Texans. Carlos Basham for the Bills. Mac Jones, Kylan Hill, rookie for the Packers. Kid Reporter. Mac Jones for Michael. Rookie materials, Cornell Powell, that's for the Chiefs. All right, last box, mega box of Contenders. Got 112 cards in here. 3 hits on average, 1 auto and 2 mems on average. 14 inserts. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 cards per pack. 112 cards. Good luck. Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK Metcalf, TJ Shark. Rookie of the Year Contenders of Davis Mills for the Texans. DeAndre Hopkins, Tua Tagovailoa, Chase Claypool, Carson Wentz, Terry McLaurin, Aaron Donald, DJ Moore, Gladiators of Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. Brady insert there for Michael. Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray, Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, MVP contenders, Trevor Lawrence. It's going 80. Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith-Schuster, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, Chain Movers, Allen Robinson for the Bears. Amari Cooper, Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak Prescott, Ben Roethlisberger. Here's our hit here. Autograph of Cameron Batson. Going to the Tennessee Titans. What's up, Michael? A little soft corner there. And a legendary of Willie McGinnis. That's for the Patriots. Yeah, a little soft corner, that one. That's for Brittany and the Titans. Wow. One card in this pack. They panitied us. Chris Jones. Hopefully they'll give us some extras in other packs. Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks. Yeah, they struggled offensively there. Sorry, Michael. Julio Jones. Got a patch of rookie ticket spotch of Amon-Ra St. Brown. That's for the Lions. Rookie of the Year contenders, Michael Carter. Too many turnovers. For the Lions there. That is going to Christopher L. Next pack. Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook. Playoff ticket of Tim Tebow for the Broncos. Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, round one numbers of Kyle Pitts and Jamar Chase. We'll have to randomize that for those two teams. Falcons or, let's see what this other one, or the Bengals there. So I do use random.org and the dice roll at one time. Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, chain movers of Devontae Adams for the Packers. Rob Gronkowski, Allen Robinson, Kenny Golladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Patrick Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, MVP contenders of Joe Burrow. Let's go to Caleb. Justin Jefferson, Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Gladiators of Andre Johnson for the Texans. Last 2 packs of our break. I do have 2 cards to randomize, and then I'll do a recap for you guys. Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Laviska Shenault, Matt Ryan, Mike Gesicki, T. Higgins, Marcus May, a winning ticket insert of Aaron Rodgers. That's for the Packers. Going to Nicholas. All right, last pack of our break. Again, 2 cards to randomize, and then I'll do a recap for you guys. Most rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits top loaded, and they should be out by tomorrow. And team bags and bubble mailers, hopefully. All right, last pack, good luck. We have Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett. Got another Anthony Schwartz, rookie ticket swatch. Little scrape on the top there, and then a Chris Carson power players. That's for the Seahawks. Let's go to Derek. All right, let's make some space here. Do that. Random for those 2 cards, and then we'll do a recap. All right, so this double, I'm just gonna roll it 1 time for both cards. So random.org, dice roll 1 time, 1 die, and then if we roll an odd number for the top, and then even number for the bottom. All right, let me pull up random.org really quick. All right, random.org, dice roller, 1 virtual die, 1 time again. Top teams will be odd number, even number for the bottom. Good luck. That is odd. Top teams here. It's gonna go to Bateman and the Ravens, Kyle Pitts and the Falcons. All right, let's do that recap for you guys, and we'll call it a night. There's some inserts and parallels. Aaron Rodgers, Andre Johnson, Joe Burrow, Devontae Adams, Allen Robinson, Tom Brady, Lamar Jackson, Brady, Justin Herbert, Michael Vick, Herbert, Russell Wilson, Mahomes, pink camo of Julio Jones, green, Joe DeLamalure, Kyler Murray, got a Baker Mayfield Mosaic insert, Devontae Adams, Josh Allen, and a Lamar Jackson. There's some rookies here, rookies and inserts. Michael Carter, Davis Mills, Kylan Hill, Brandon Stevens Green, Rashad Bateman, Felton, Trey Sermon, Tony, Michael Carter, Sam Ellinger, insert of Devontae Smith. Got a Kyle Pitts. Sorry about that. Rookie wave of Dwayne Eskridge. Rondale Moore, Kenneth Gainwell, Khalil Herbert, Devontae Smith next up, and Rookie of the Year contenders Devontae Smith, Kyle Pitts, Justin Fields ×2, in his Buckeyes and his Georgia uniform. Got a Dayami Brown, Travis Etienne, Trayvon Morig, Sunburst, Odi Yingbo, Seth Williams, Kyle Trask, Kyle Pitts, and Elijah Moore. Trevor Lawrence base, Cornell Powell, rookie materials, Mac Jones, Zach Wilson, Jalen Phillips, rookie number to 499, Jalen Waddle by Storm, Supernatural Mac Jones, rookie wave red, Dwayne Eskridge, Trey Lance, camo rookie Trayvon Morig for the Raiders. Got a sparkle rookie Anthony Schwartz for the Browns, Javonte Williams base, Chris Boswell number to 460. Najee Harris rookie of the year contender. Here's a camo pink of Tom Brady, Super Bowl MVP. That's for the Patriots. Got a Jamar Chase base, MVP contenders Trevor Lawrence, introductions Mac Jones, press proof blue Justin Fields, rookie Stallions patch of Des Fitzpatrick for the Titans, rookie ticket swatch Anthony Schwartz for the Browns, Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions, rookie ticket auto Cameron Batson for the Titans. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Till next time, have a good night. Bye.